Hi, Facebook friends. Okay, so I'm excited to show you how you can wear this makeup and rock it with a lot of red. I'm trying to move my phone around to get the best lighting. Okay, so my name is Jeri Taylor-Swade, and I have been experimenting with this new rainbow collection that we have. Shadows. These are shadows. And in here are bright, bright colors. I've been asked so many times since it came out, how do you use those? Because everybody is so afraid of them until they start using them, and then they're like, oh my gosh, this is so amazing how you can use these bright, deep colors and create a lot of different looks and use it in different ways. So in the collection are colors that I've been showing you that I've been using on my page, but I've used the orange, the red, the yellow, the blue. This one is indigo, and this one is green. There's so many colors I can't hold them all. And violet. Now all of these are the rainbow collection, and they come in this gorgeous rainbow bag. And so I thought today I would do red. I would do a red look. Hi, Sharon. So what I did was I used as my base red for my eyes. I used the red shadow. Now, when you look at this, you would go, I am not putting that color on my eyes. I will look like I'm a Halloween monster or something, right? But I can show you how to do it, or teach you how to do it. I'm not going to show you how to do it because I've already done it, but I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it. So when you're doing this, you want to use all the same tones. That's the key. So on my eyes, you can see that I have the red as the predominant color, but I also have other colors, and I'll tell you how I did it. And then on my cheeks, I used the red shadow mixed with pearlizer, which is, it's kind of like a tulle. It's a foundation with opalescence in it, so it has all the properties of anti-aging and all that, but it has an opalescence property, and it gives you the J-Lo glow. So I have it on my cheeks, and as you can see, this tone, and this tone all go together, which gives your face a balanced look, and that's what you want. So what did I do? First of all, I did my base, which I use most of the time, not all the time, but most of the time, Sandstone Pearl Shadow, and I did it all the way up to my brow line and all the way down to my lash line. The entire eye, I put Sandstone Pearl on my entire eye, okay? Then, after that, then I took the Platinum Glitter, it's Platinum Glitter. Yeah, I was thinking Platinum Glitter, Platinum Shimmer. I'm always getting the glitter and shimmer mixed up. Okay, so then I used the Platinum Glitter Shadow. Now this is very concentrated. Of course, all of our products are so concentrated. The red one's really concentrated too. But I want to show you when I put this on my hand. This is the Platinum Glitter. You see how it's got that shine to it? Okay, so I wanted that today. Now, I'm in my 60s. Can women my age wear glitter and shimmer? Yes, you can. You just have to be strategic about the way you do it. Now, would I wear this look every day? Nope, I wouldn't. I'm a pretty basic makeup person every day. But I can do this kind of makeup, and I love to do it on other people, and I like to do it on myself to experiment and to teach you and to wear makeup like this when I'm going out or doing something fun. Okay, and now this makeup would look gorgeous with a really classic, beautiful black dress and high heels. Just saying. And think about maybe a Christmas party. I mean, it's not that far away. Really? I mean, we have got 6 months, and then we've got Christmas. Okay, so this is what I did with this. So what I did was I opened it up and I put a cut, like I believe it was 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, right here, just right there. Then I took my brush and I blended it just right there, okay, on both eyes. Then after that, then I took the red shadow and I did 1 dot right there. 1 dot. It's really concentrated and there's a lot in there. So I did 1 dot right there, okay? Then I took my brush, and I use a different brush when I'm using glitters because I don't want glitters on my brushes when I'm using matte makeup, right? So these are free brushes that you get when you buy the Collagen Night Pack. And so I use these, and they're really good for glitter because I want to be very strategic about where I put it. So when I put the glitter on, I went like this, and see that corner right there? You can see the glitter in my brush. So I took it like this, and I went all the way to the corner and like this with that, okay? And then when I did the red dot, which is where I put it right there, then I took this brush, this part of the brush, and I sort of manipulated it until I got it exactly where I wanted it to be placed. And then I used this corner to blend it in and blend. And the glitter ends up getting blended in with the red, which is fine because that's what I want. But I don't want too much glitter because I would look like an old lady trying to look young, okay? That's what I would look like. So I don't want to look like that. I want to look like a woman that's my age, almost, I'm not going to tell you, 60, well, I've said it so many times, 64. I'm 64, and I want to look pretty. I want to look trendy. I want to look like I know what I'm doing with makeup because I'm a makeup artist and I love makeup, and I teach other women how to do makeup. But I don't want too much glitter. So if you can see, there's just a little, when I move, there's just a hint of the glitter that mixes in with the red up here. And then I went down into the corner with the red. So I went like this and like this and manipulated it around. Okay, once I did that, then I took Onyx, which is, oh, where'd my Onyx go? Where did it go? Oh, it fell on the floor. Hold on a second. All right. So then I took my Onyx, and this is black shadow. This is black, okay? And it's very concentrated, like all the shadows are. So what I did was I opened it up, and I took 1 dot. Hi, Glenda. 1 dot, and I put it right there. Okay, then because I don't want to mix my regular shadow brushes with my glitter, and since this one already has glitter, I just went like this with the corner, and I patted it into like a V, like this, and patted it in and sort of blended it a little bit, like that. And that's all I did. Very simple. So then after that, then I took the black waterproof eyeliner and I tight lined up underneath my lashes. And I used it on my waterline as well. And underneath my lashes as well. And I went, now this is a key. I want you guys to see this. So when you do your underneath, your waterline underneath, you're doing underneath your lashes like this, okay? You want to make sure you go all the way into the corner and fill that in. Then, when you do the waterline underneath, over your bottom lashes, you want to make sure, now this is because I have hooded eyes and I want my eyes to look elongated, and I want the the emphasis to be on this part of my eye right here, and I'm trying to negate this part up here. Do you see how I have lighter up here because I'm trying to show the red, but then I brought in the dark because I want to cover this hanging part of my skin, and that's what I did right here. I covered the hanging part of my skin. Okay, so then, oh, thanks, Glenda. And then after that, I put the dark black eyeliner up underneath because black really pops with red. And this is a very glamorous look. I mean, obviously, it's, you know, nothing you would wear every day. Well, you could. I mean, there are women that wear glamour makeup every day, but I don't. Okay, then on my lips, I want to show you what I did. I was originally going to use just Fly Girl, but then when I was really looking at my makeup, I noticed that the red mixed with the platinum glitter sort of gave it a little bit more of a warm red look on my eyes. So what I did was I took Fly Girl and I outlined my lip. So what I did, here, I'll show you. I have a picture of it on my phone, but I can't show you on my phone because I'm using my phone. I took the tip of my lip sense and I lined my lip first. Then I filled in the corner. Like that. Filled in both corners. So what I did is I created depth to my lip. And I did the same on the top. I lined my lip first and then I filled in down here and down here. So this part was open and flesh colored still, and this part was too. Then after that, I took Salmon. Salmon is an amazing, beautiful coral. I'll show you what it looks like by itself. It's gorgeous, especially when you have a tan, it's gorgeous. And then I went over the top, back and forth with my Salmon over the top of my Fly Girl because I wanted to blend it together on the outer corners and then fill in on the inner corner here. So then after that, I just put Glossy Gloss. But I was thinking that it would be really cool to use a glitter gloss with it. You could use silver glitter, you could use gold glitter, but I think silver glitter would be really pretty. And I thought I had my silver glitter out here. Ow, I don't. Hold on a second. Okay, where is my silver glitter? All right, because I have on silver in my shirt and I have silver earrings on, so I'm going to use silver glitter, and this would even make it more fancy for when you go out at night. And then I already have Glossy Gloss on, so then what I'm going to do is just put the silver glitter in my palette. Just where I put the Salmon, where the lighter is. Oh, thank you. There isn't a method to my madness. It just happened that way. Okay, so see that? So it adds a little bit of oomph to your look, and especially like think about going to a Christmas party and having this makeup on and having a beautiful black dress or a silver and black dress or a black dress with silver jewelry, like sparkly jewelry or something, and then you have this makeup look. Man, I'm telling you, you would look hot walking in the door of any party, anytime if you did your makeup like this. Okay, so the key is to blend, but be very strategic about the way you blend and use your brush to your advantage. And because I use this brush a lot for my glitter stuff because I want to be strategic, and it's a free brush. I get it every time I open up a new collagen night pack, and you would get it too, because anytime anybody buys a collagen night pack, which kind of creates like a pillow on your face when you sleep at night, so that everything you put on your face is good, is held in, and the free radicals can't attack your face during the night, and it also creates a barrier between your skin and your pillowcase. Okay, so just to show again how you pat it, like that. Be strategic, okay? Alrighty, thank you for watching. God bless. Have a great day.